Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessie, and if you're new here, I do subscription unboxings and essential oil information. Today I have a lot of snacks to get through. This is the Snacknation September box. I got it on a deal from Amazon. There should be 15 snacks in here, and it was about $15.99 for the first box. Afterwards, I'll see how I like it. I might go down to the 8 snack a month option, or see if there's see what my thoughts are on this box and go from there. I'll have more of a description of this box in the description box below. I want to jump right in, but I do want to say that this company is great. They for every box sold, they donate one healthy meal to Feeding America. So I think that's fantastic. So wow, look at all these snacks. Let's jump in. I want to start with these. Let's see, these are honey roasted sunflower kernels. Portable protein and nut free. Now I personally do love nuts, but I also love sunflowers. And these look like they're good to try. I was trying to give you guys a little bit of nutritional information, but I don't see anything else specific on there. But I love the honey roasted flavor. I am looking for low sodium products, probably like 5% or lower per serving. So I'll have to sort out which ones I think I'll eat and which ones I won't. But they're definitely the ones I can't eat because of sodium. You know, I'll definitely try bits and pieces of them. And the other ones that might be way too salty, I'll give to my husband, and I know he will definitely eat them. Next, we have these oven-baked farm crisps in original flavor. They're 100% cheese snack. They sound sort of like a snack I got in from Box. But there's 9 grams of protein per serving, and they sound really good too. The ones from Box were amazing. They were basically like Gouda Cheez-Its. You guys can see my other video. These are also certified gluten-free. Oh yes, I saw these unboxed in another snack box unboxing from Jess Gus and her channel. I'll link her channel down below. Her and her son review this box, and they do really cute reviews, to see her son try the products. These are Kodiak Cakes protein-packed Bear Bites, Frontier graham crackers in honey flavoring, also non-GMO. When she unboxed these, I really wanted to try these, so this is really exciting for me. I was kind of hoping I'd get them, and yay, I did. Next, I have to, zoom out a bit here. Wow. These are called Beanie Toes. They are super powerful beans, hint of lime. So let's see, what are these? White bean chips, 5 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. Bean chips, the brand is Farm to Bag. So that's pretty cool. I've never had bean chips before, but those sound super cool. Let's take a look at the salt though. You know me, here's my salt count. Sodium, 7% for a serving size of the whole bag. 7% of the daily value of recommended salt intake. So I will probably have 1 or 2 of these. Sometimes what I do crave some salty foods from time to time. I might have 1 or 2 chips a day from the bag or something like that, if I can't eat the whole bag. It's just, I'm watching my salt for some inner ear issues right now, and it seems to be helping me. But salty snacks are so yummy, and it's kind of hard to do. But these sound cool. Alright, bada beam, bada boom. I love the name of this. Looks like the brand is Enlightened. Mesquite barbecue crunchy broad beans, 100 calories, 7 grams of protein. I'm really liking it. A lot of these snacks so far are high in protein. I really have benefited. I've noticed I feel a lot better when I have a good amount of protein in me. A barbecue flavor, I used to love barbecue flavored items. I haven't eaten as many lately. 6% sodium for this tiny little pack. So again, I'll just be careful. These are definitely like sample sizes. I can try them and it'll still be fun. I'll go on more of a salt rant later if I have the time in the video. These next, let's see, I have to bring them closer to read. Ancient Greek Grains Breakfast Biscuits. That sounds cool. Hazelnuts Carob. The brand is, I don't want to butcher it, it's Olyra. I'm not, Olyra. Let me know if any of you guys have had these before. These sound really cool, but they look like, almost look like dog treats. I hope they're, better flavored than that. There is not much nutrition information on here. 24 grams of whole grains per serving. I love that. I might have to, I don't want to be overly crinkly on this video. Sorry if I am. I don't want to pull the labeling back to get to the ingredients. But, oh, here it is. Flour, whole grain spelt flour, and a whole bunch of different types of whole grain flours. Sugar, palm oil, hazelnuts, carob, honey, eggs, baking soda, sea salt, cinnamon, and cloves. I'm really curious. I don't know about you guys, but it's hard for me to guess what these would taste like, but I'm excited. Next we have upside down here is the Rockinola Espresso Blast. So crunchy granola clusters. I unfortunately don't like anything coffee flavored. I don't drink coffee. I can't stand the flavor. I probably won't even eat one of these. I mean, that's how my aversion to coffee is strong. But my husband is going to love these. He doesn't drink a lot of coffee, but he loves coffee flavored ice cream, and he'll get on coffee kicks every now and then. Of course, ironically, these are 0 grams of sodium. Story of my life, but that is okay. I knew that there would be snacks going to him in here. You guys, this is like Christmas, by the way. I am loving this. I feel like I'm opening my stocking. So next we have the Good Bean Sea Salt Crunchy Chickpeas. I figured we'd get a chickpea product. I'm interested in it. I haven't actually tried anything. I mean, I love hummus. I haven't tried any chickpea snacks before. So this is exciting to me. Again, 4 grams of protein. Super cool. Gluten-free, vegan, yada, 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 right? I feel like everything's gluten-free these days. I don't personally need things to be gluten-free. But it's fine with me one way or the other. I'd have to go, here's the nutrition information. Sodium, 3%. Hey, they qualify, so go me. I hope I like these. It'll be nice to have something salty, but not overly salty. Next we have Lesser Evil Grain-Free Paleo Puffs. Of course there's something paleo in here, right? That's like the new, paleo and keto are like the new trends, right? No cheese, cheesiness. Honestly, I love cheese, so the fact that I'm not hearing cheese is like, to me, but let's see. I know a lot of people don't eat cheese, so that's fine. They're non-GMO. Certified PF, I don't know what that is. Oh, paleo-friendly probably. Gluten-friendly, vegan, and grain-free. So that leaves me to wonder what on earth is actually in them. Made with organic cassava root, coconut, sweet potato, Himalayan sea salt, and nutrient-dense coconut oil. Why are these puffs better? We use nutrient-dense foods like organic cassava and sweet potato. They contain vitamins, fiber, and potassium and are easier to digest. The organic coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and good saturated fats and also easier to digest. Well, that sounds interesting. They're very high in sodium, though. 8%, 190 milligrams for 1 serving size, which is this container. I might try 1 or 2 and see how it goes. Oh yes, yes, this is fantastic. This was on my list of brands to look up, either for myself or my husband. Probably more for my husband, but I'll certainly try it. He loves Pop-Tarts. I mean, at one point he was getting Pop-Tarts for breakfast as an adult. And I can say all this because I doubt he'll watch my videos. And anyway, it's by the Smart Co. And it's strawberry chia flavored, as you guys can see. 8 grams of protein. I want to see if you have to heat these or if you can eat them the way they are. Hey, soft baked and ready to eat. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, no preservatives. That makes me feel good because honestly, I don't do well with artificial fruit flavors. I don't do well with them sugary or digestive anything. Also 8 grams of protein, that's amazing. A little high in the sodium again, but you know, I kind of expected that. Let's see what's next. Eat your coffee. Well, we know who this is going to. Caffeinated snack bar, fudgy mocha latte. Yeah, I will have to stay away with this literally with like a 10-foot pole. Caffeine is not my friend. I do eat chocolate, but that's about my only source of caffeine. I don't drink soda or anything. Pretty sure my husband will like this. Oh, sorry, extra crinkly. Alright, Nutter Puffs by Pop Chips. I think Pop Chips is a brand I've heard about from a bunch of places. Puff snacked with real peanut butter. That sounds good. 5 grams, another high protein snack. This is a good protein box. So exciting. They look kind of cool, don't they? They kind of look like cheese curls, but with peanut butter. Let's see what the sodium... 3% sodium. Hey, I can eat these. I'm excited. Their combination, it says on the back, swoon, no spoon. I love it. That's just awesome. Okay. I always hate it when people crinkle on videos, and now I'm doing it. I'm really sorry. Popcorners brand Flex Energy Packed Protein Crisps. Again, barbecue flavored. You know, it's kind of funny. I've noticed in a lot of these snack boxes, like any type of chip out there seems to be barbecue flavored, which is fine. It's a popular flavor, but give us something interesting. Oh, I do love that these aren't fried. They are plant-based protein. That's interesting to me. Sometimes that tastes good to me, and sometimes it doesn't. I have to admit, I'm more of a classic snack girl, but you know, it's good to try healthy stuff, right? Wow, these are very high in sodium, however, 13% of your daily value for this total package, so I will probably just try one and pass these along to my husband. And yeah, beef jerky seems to be advertised in every box of this. This is sea salt and cracked pepper. And let's see, the brand is Western Smokehouse. I didn't know that was a possibility to get beef jerky. I don't like it at all. This is totally going to my husband. Yeah, and especially if it's pepper, it's going to be spicy, and I don't do spicy either. That is fine. He doesn't know what he's in for here. It looks like we have 2 items here, and we reach the end of the box here at these Go Macro bars. Oh, this is awesome. This is another brand that I've seen everywhere and I've been wanting to try. Nut-free and high protein. This is like the theme of the box. Which sadly, I mean, I do love nuts. I don't have any nut allergies. I would love to see some nut products, but I understand a lot of people have obviously nut issues. Although there were the peanut butter puffs. Anyway, heartwarming retreat, oatmeal chocolate chip. Yum. I was hoping actually for some more chocolate type snacks because I do love chocolate, you know. I know they're trying to be healthy, but, you know, give us a break. Literally, give us a break. Throw us a Kit Kat. Hey, throw us any type of candy bar, right? Let's see. Sodium's going to make or break this for me, I think. 4% for 1 bar. That's not bad. I could eat these. I eat the another bar that has 4%. I'm kind of squeezing it right now. I'm trying not to be, sorry, I am intentionally being crinkly. Squeezing this, it seems kind of hard. Hopefully it's not too difficult to bite off, because that can be a turn off. But I think they're both, yeah, they're both the same flavor. So let me know what you guys think of this box. I won't recap anything because it's already been a lengthy video, but if you want to ask me any questions about any of the snacks, if you want to know any ingredients or any, any nutritional information that I didn't read off, feel free to comment below or message me on Instagram. And let me just count. I do want to count and see if they delivered what they said they were going to deliver. So I just did a crude count. There's literally 15 snacks in here, 16 if you count the fact that we got 2 of those Go Macro bars. So I'm really happy with this. A lot of these are great sizes. They're larger than just sample sizes, really, so you can get a good feel for the snack. Honestly, my favorite item from what I'm excited about the most would be these Bear Bites from Kodiak Cakes. But who knows? Something might surprise me. Let me know what you guys think might be your favorite item, or if you've tried any of these before. I might do another video of a review of these foods when I'm done, but I'm trying to figure out how. I'd have to keep the wrappers or something. That might get gross, or I might just post updates on Instagram. You guys can follow me over there. That'll be a lot easier and sanitary. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please feel free to comment on any experiences you have with any of these foods. And I will catch you next time. Have a good day. Bye.